such a longer, complex rhythm, what we're going to do is just pick one measure to play as our rhythm through the intro, right? Through the intro. Dig it? So notice, I'm not walking you through the entire song in terms of voice leading, passing bass notes, because I'm assuming you can do that. We're just focusing entirely on the intro right now and giving you the concepts that you're going to apply to leveling up the whole song. Got it? Okay, here we go. So how about we take, let's see here. How about we take that third measure as our rhythm? So it'd be half note, eighth note, quarter, half note, eighth note, quarter, half note, eighth note, quarter, half note, eighth note, quarter. Makes sense? So only measure 3 repeated over and over there for our rhythm, but we're going to move through the intro chords. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge you to add that left hand bass notes with passing if you can, and a right hand rhythm. Whoo-wee! So here we go. We're going half note, eighth note, quarter in the right hand, and we're doing bass notes with passing notes in the left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go.